I like taking a shower first thing in the morning, and then when I get back from work, because I work for around 4 hours on Monday, 3 hours on Wednesday, and 3 hours on Thursday. So when I get back, I take another shower. So I just use the DB app to get a bus to work. Taking a moment to breathe before I go in. Yay. 4 hours of work ahead, and then I'll be done for the day. Just breathe.
2,000 years later.
This looks like a very cool, interesting performance. Anyway, I'm done with work. Let's go back home.
You're going to have 40, 50, 60, 70.
I started baking when I was in university, like my first year of university. I think, no, my second year of university, and it really helped me pocket money when I was studying in school. I would bake these cupcakes and then carry them to class and then sell them to my classmates for 30 shillings. I don't know if any of my classmates can remember that. So baking, I know I fell out of it after school when I was looking for work. I didn't bake anymore. So right now I'm kind of getting back into it, because then I was rushing into it. I just found one recipe that worked, and then I would sell to everybody. But now I'm trying to develop these new interesting recipes, so that one day when I get lucky to open a bakery, I can sell different ingredients. I've been looking for a very good chocolate recipe. So far I've not found any. I know I love John Kennel. Correct me in the comments, please. I love his recipes, but somehow the chocolate one just doesn't work for me. So I found this other recipe on TikTok, and then I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you want to try it. And all my friends say that it was the best chocolate cake they have ever tasted. So I'm doing this collection of recipes. I don't know if it's understandable, where I try different recipes and then I choose my favorite recipes and then tweak them to me and make them mine in some sort of way. Because I just love baking. Baking is just something that makes me happy. Baking is something that even if I'm not rewarded to do, it's something I can actually do every day. I think ever since I was a little girl, I've always wanted to have this bakery with a bookshop at the back. Not at the back, a bakery that is a bookshop, so that when people come to buy books, they can also have some cake, and then So I know I've been rambling a lot. I just thought I should share that because it's kind of cool. Oh, nice. Secondly, nice.
Take pathologies to shitty autopsies. Whoa! Not Betty. Libby was murdered. Look, I'm sorry.
Asta, another. Thank you. Baby. Bado niko na chili flakes mara. Bas. Ile chili flakes ya nini? Hiyo. The big one. Za nini?
Thank you for cooking.
Ni tamu. Ni tamu sana. Ina sotachi. Ina slow. Ndio sunio
See?
What did I know? When I did this, my mother.
If you ruined it, then.
Babe, I have a heart. Ukipata I have a heart.
Ng'ombe ako na heart.
Anawezi wa ng'ombe.
Watch the trailer. Working for 3 to 4 hours is usually very long. So most of the time I listen to audiobooks, and I've started listening to like the 48 Laws of Power. And then there's this other book about ego ruining your life. I can't really remember it very well. So it just kind of reminds me, like, most of the time we're either working or we're going to school or we are taking care of other people. Like, we're just like doing, outputting most of the time. We don't have input, and life is all about balance. What you put into your mind is what you give out. So I swear to God, when I sit down, most of the time it's just YouTube or TikTok or just scrolling or watching a movie. So this is like my chance to give my mind positive and good like input, so that it can balance out the output that I give out to the world. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I'm currently lying in my office chair. I'm supposed to be going to Zul to New York to buy outfits for Cologne next week, but I don't feel like doing anything today. So we're gonna just be lazy for the day. Yay! I love my flowers. Can you see how pretty they are? And I love my keyboard. It's so pretty. And then I love my mouse. I know I'm supposed to be working. Ignore that. I had some tea, and then I had some more tea. Tea, really coffee. So yeah, I'm supposed to be working, but I'm just here. I'm supposed to be actually applying for jobs, but yeah, thinking. And then I think I want to reorganize my room and then apply for jobs, and then we can cook something later, because we have to cook something delicious today. Yay. Okay. I don't know. I have this thing where I have to rearrange my room every so often. I think my friend joke that and say that kind of like every time they come to my room, it's like a new arrangement. I used to do this with my bed sitter, and then when I had a 1-bedroom house, I used to do the same thing. I don't know. It's something in my mind, serotonin or something. I don't. How many times have I said I don't know? But it's just something that makes me happy, and I kind of like rearranging my room, sleeping in different positions. It makes me feel like I'm sleeping in somewhere new and exotic. Maybe we can do like a picture of a lake over my window, so that when I wake up in the morning, I can think that I'm on the beach somewhere. God. Anyway, I don't even know oh God, how many times. I feel like every time I say I don't know, we should take a sip of something. I realized that thing with myself in journaling. When I was journaling the other day, and I felt like I wrote a lot of I don't know. Maybe that's where I am in life right now, at the place where I don't know a lot. And kind of like when I was in my 20s, I used to think that I figured out life. Like I knew where I was going. I knew what I wanted to do with life. I knew, like, if you asked me, I would tell you exactly, like, in 5 years, I'll be here. In 10 years, I'll be here. But then I got to my 30s, and I can't really force myself to do stuff. We were laughing with my friend the other day. Like, when we were 30, we used to have this hustle. When we were in 20s, in our 20s, we used to have this hustle mentality. Like, go, do stuff, try new things, like jump into new things, start new things. So I started like 1,000 YouTube channels. I started a lot of blogs, like just so that I can have one that gives me quick success. But then right now in my 30s, I can't force myself to start new things. I can't force myself to like have that mentality of go. I've tried, trust me. I've tried to like wake up and force myself to do stuff, and I just can't do it. And I guess that's where I am in my life right now, at the place where I don't know, and I can't force myself to know, and I can't force myself to push too hard, because life is kind of in the moments. Like in the moments that when you're not looking, or in the moments when you're like not forcing yourself to do stuff, or in the moments when you're not trying to be perfect, or in the moments when you're not trying to like be better than other people. I feel like life exists in those small moments when you are like, you're just being you. in those moments when nobody's judging you for being you or doing stupid stuff or trying new things. Yeah, so yeah, that's my rambling for today. See you. Haha. Laundry. I like laundry. So let's go do laundry. All the machines are free, so I like this one because it's new. It's like the new machine. Yeah. Machine number 4. We have already set this. So program this. This is always like the highest temperature. Need to be okay. Machine 4.
Came up here to help. Get out the joint for good behavior. Dude, call us up, said he needed a savior. Stop rapping. I'll buy the album. Yeah. His daughter got back to their drugs. He needed to make things right, so we called us.
The two of you robbed Hickson at gunpoint in Florida.
Let me help this out of the way. Anyway, can you see how good my skin looks? Like, I was doing my makeup and I was like, I can't believe this is my skin right now. I remember when I invested so much money in buying this, I was like, yeah, maybe it will make me at least less acne prone, but yeah, and then it will cover my scars and stuff like that. But now I'm like, I don't need it. Like, oh yeah, I do need it because I'm learning to do makeup, but it's not that I need it to make my skin like less acne prone or something. So if you have acne, it does get better. If somebody told me that last year, I would not believe it, but it does get better.